Hello pool players, Ron here. Hey, I got to share something with you guys. Something that's been going on with my channel lately. It's been really driving me crazy. You know, when I started this, I really did not try to build a YouTube channel. I was just documenting my growth as a player on the pool table. I was actually storing my videos on the YouTube channel, so to speak, that I had. That wasn't a channel at that time. It was just a place to put videos that I could show my grandkids. When maybe I was dead and gone someday, they could look back and see how their grandpa worked on his pool game to really, nail it down. But when I did that, I inadvertently built a YouTube channel that's now over 30,000 people. I appreciate all you guys too, really do. But I ran into something here within the last year that's affected my channel. And what that is I've gone with some YouTube shorts. A lot of you have seen me do this. And initially, when I stayed away from YouTube shorts for quite a while. I didn't believe in them. And one time I just posted one and it went crazy. I had like 10,000 views within like 3 minutes. I could not believe that. And I'm not really going for views or anything like that, but what resulted from that was I got a lot of subscribers. I've got some YouTube shorts that have 1,500 subscribers, amazing. And but the problem with that is the subscribers that, and not everyone, but a lot of them that have come from YouTube Shorts, they want to see a real short snippet of a video. They don't want, my videos, I try to keep them around 12 seconds. And they don't really care about long form content. And in fact, this is the dilemma I have run into. I'm a long form content creator in that I'm trying to teach you guys how to play this game. You know, I've learned it so quickly, but I've gone through the hours and the time on the table to get it done. And I try to share the methods and techniques with you to help you get there equally as fast. The problem is, now that I've attracted quite a large group of short viewers, when I publish a long form video, they don't want to watch it that long. They click away so quickly. Now my retention for my videos is about 50%. Now that's really good actually. You think, wow, it's only half? Well, that actually is good. But if it drops below 50, what happens is the YouTube algorithm does not promote my content. So this is my dilemma. 2 videos ago, just to give you an idea, I made this video. It's a 5-minute, 33-second long video. It took me 14 hours to put that thing together. Now, I don't mind doing that if the video gets out there and, and can help people with their game. But the video didn't do very well. I think it's got 4,000 views, which to some of you may seem like a lot, but that's not. Now, 5 weeks ago, I had been seeing much higher view counts on my channel. But what happens with the YouTube algorithm when people don't watch videos that long is it does not promote or suggest your video to a wider audience, a global audience. And I had been seeing that all the way up for about 42 months. It was working fine. Well, in the last 2 months, 5 weeks to 2 months, it's really dropped off. And there's nothing I haven't done, I haven't done anything different. I think my content is on point. If it's not, you let me know. I appreciate the constructive criticism because I'm not a professional here. I'm just trying to learn the game of pool and share my ideas and methods and techniques with you. But I wanted to put this video together today to let you know that I think I need to back away from the YouTube Shorts. If you're a YouTube short person, I'm sorry about that, but it's dragging down my channel. And for me to continue this, I mean, I put in a lot of hours. I put in about 25 to 30 hours a week to produce 1 to 2 long form videos. And then I had been doing about 2 YouTube short videos as well. The YouTube short videos are rather quick. It doesn't take me long to do one of those, about an hour. I can shoot on the table, put it together on my editing app, not a problem. But the long form videos require a lot more time, a lot more involvement. it's got to be worth my while to do this. I really want to train and help coach you guys to get better faster, but I also need to make sure that I'm not investing an absorbent amount of time into something that's no longer working, not being promoted on the channel, like I say, from the algorithm. And because of the YouTube Shorts, I know that this is a mistake that I have made. You guys that are long form video watchers, you're probably like, yes. I mean, I know I've had people in the past say, I'm not into the shorts. And I wasn't either when it started. I really wasn't. And then I fell victim to that adrenaline rush to see how many views and how many subscribers would come on. I didn't realize, though, that the subscribers that come on from shorts, most of them are not at all interested in long form videos. So I hope you understand that. I don't want to get too lengthy on this. Just an update for my channel. I'm going to be sculpting this a little bit differently. Same content. We're still going to work on our game. We're still going to get better at the game of pool together. But I need to do it in a better way. Also, just to say this, anytime that you guys, and I know lots of you that are now staying in this video long enough to hear me say this now, you guys are all great supporters of the channel. Typically, I don't even average 10% likes on my channels, or my videos. And that's just surprising. I've had even some of you say, wow, how come the likes aren't up there? I don't know. I wish everyone would hit like. If they do, that helps the content get out there. But the most important thing right now with YouTube, this has been a shift in YouTube's algorithm settings, is they are looking for retention. So this video, I'm sure, won't even do that well because not anyone wants to hear me just babble on about this issue. But if it does not reach 50%, so if you got a 5-minute video and it only does 2.5 minutes, that's 50%. If it doesn't reach the 50%, the YouTube algorithm does not promote it or suggest it to a wider audience. Bottom line. So those YouTube short people that came onto my channel, they now look at a YouTube long video, but they're not interested in sticking around, and it brings that percentage down, and then overall my channel doesn't get promoted. So hope you guys understand this. I'm going to do my best. I really want to help everyone with their game, and I don't want to give up on this because it's not about the channel, it's about you guys. I talked to Tony Robles, my pool pro friend down in Miami just last night, and I told him, I said, I'm at a dilemma. I'm getting discouraged here seeing my channel numbers go down, and I can't figure out why. And I don't want to let down my viewers, my loyal viewers that have stuck with me, and we've learned together. So he understood that. And then today, just by chance, sometimes there's divine intervention. I was looking through YouTube and this one video came up, and I've never found one before, and I've watched a lot of channel creating videos, and this talked about how shorts can destroy your channel. And I couldn't believe it. As I watched it, it's about a 12, 14-minute video. It's exactly what I have done. Exactly what I've done. And it's like, no more. I've got to stop this. So I just wanted to bring you guys up to speed on this. I'm going to do my best to help you out. Let me know what you guys think about my thought process on this, about shifting back over to the long form. Let me know if you like that idea. All right? Till next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.